Our today's activity is about connecting wired and wireless LANs. And we will be looking into what type of cables you need to connect different types of networking or internet networking devices. Alright, so this is a typical, different types of devices we have. We have a cloud switch device, router devices, cable modem, wireless router, a couple of PCs, and a server, and a configuration terminal also, and a printer. So let's see, let's try to connect these devices together, and you're going to learn what type of physical wire you need or type of a connection you need to connect different types of internet networking devices. So let's first try to connect the cloud to router 0, and the type of connection we're gonna need for that is a copper. Let me select this one, the connections, and we're gonna need a copper straight through cable to connect this cloud device to this router with the cloud device. I'm going to select this fast Ethernet 0/0. I'm going to connect this with the cloud switch Ethernet port. Here you go. So these two devices are connected with the copper straight through cable. Now let's connect the cloud with the cable modem, and I'm going to need a coaxial cable to basically connect the. So here you go. Here you see the coaxial cable. I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna click on the cloud. I'm gonna select the coaxial 7 port. I'm gonna connect this one with the cable modem. I'm gonna use port 0 for the coaxial cable. All right. So now we have connected the cloud switch with router 0 and cable modem. Now let's connect the router 0 to router 1. So if you want to connect two routers together, you're gonna need a serial, interface and serial DCE cable. So here is a serial DCE connection. So you're gonna connect the router 0, the serial this 0/0/0 with router 1. Here you go. So we have connected the two routers together, router 0 and router 1, with a serial connection. And now let's connect router 0 with this the server, NetAcad server. It's a machine, and we're gonna need a crossover cable. This one, all right. So fast Ethernet 0/1, and we're going to connect this with this server. It's a machine, and we need a fast Ethernet 0 cable. So we have connected the router 0 with this with the server, and now we're going to connect the router 0 with the configuration terminal. And I mean, this terminal is only used to get console access to the router. So we're gonna need a console cable like this one. We'll connect this one like console with the configuration RS-232. Here you go. So now we're gonna connect router 1 with the switch. And so these two devices can be connected with a fiber optic cable. So we're going to select a fiber optic cable, router 1, fast Ethernet 1/0, and then with the switch, fast Ethernet 0/1. Yeah, and it will take some time to turn this circle to green. And now we need to connect the cable modem with the wireless router. And we're going to need a cable straight through, copper straight through cable to do that. Port 1, internet. And then we need to connect this wireless router with this PC, because these two home this one home PC and printer is already connected with the Wi-Fi connection. So we need to connect this one with the PC, and we're going to connect it with the Ethernet cable. All right, so we are done with all the connections, and now we need to verify or test the connection. So let's try to open this this family PC. Go to the command prompt, desktop, command prompt, and I'm going to try to ping this this machine netacad.pka and see if it works. So desktop, command prompt, I'm going to ping netacad.pka and see whether it goes through the network, whether we have successfully connected the network or not. So it will take some time. So here you go. Yes, so that means we received the echo back from the netacad server. So this means that we have successfully connected the network with correct connections.